Hi, I am Leonid Zisman, mechanical engineer and COO of Superfine. We will discuss today the treatment of compressed air for mechanization system.
Okay. So what are our requirements for compressed air? It's first of all stable, high pressure without fluctuation, free of moisture, free of oil, free of dust, and low oxidant level. This may be option for explosive material and for sensitive materials. So compressed air should meet all these requirements. Quality and energy efficient compressor is important, but without proper air treatment, it's not possible to produce quality compressed air. The typical compressed air application is consisted of compressor, condensate separator, condensate drain, pressure vessel, compressed air dryer, this and this one. About all the system, all the components of the system we will speak later. There are about some additional components as option. It may be activated carbon tower, oil-water separator, optional according to local regulation. Sometimes local environment laws and regulations state that considered drained from compressed air, condensate drained from compressed air system cannot be returned to the sewage system due to the content of compressor lubricant oil. Water, oil separators are one of the most effective and economical solutions from this problem. Another additional system is monitoring system. Stable product quality, process optimization, and energy saving are just some of the reasons why measurement equipment is becoming an essential part of today's compressed air gas systems. Type and number of sensors depend on specific application, but the most common are pressure, flow, and dew point sensor. And finally, it can be nitrogen generator, and we will speak about it also later. Okay, type of compressors. The basic working principle of an air compressor is to compress atmospheric air, which is then used as per requirements. In the process, atmospheric air is drawn through an intake valve. More and more air is pulled inside a limited space mechanically by means of piston, impeller, or vane. Since the amount of pulled atmospheric air is increased in the receiver or storage tank, the volume is reduced and the pressure is rising automatically. In simpler terms, free of atmospheric air is compressed after reducing its volume and at the same time increasing its pressure. There are three major types, namely reciprocating, rotary screw rotary vane without inverters, dryer, and centrifugal compressor. A piston compressor is a positive displacement compressor that uses piston driven by crankshaft to deliver gases at high pressure. The intake gas enter the suction manifold that then flow into the compression cylinder, where it gets compressed by a piston driving in a reciprocation motion via a crankshaft and then discharge. Applications include oil refineries, gas pipelines, chemical plants, natural gas processing plants, and air-conditioned refrigerator plants. Now let's speak about advantages and disadvantages of piston-type compressors. Advantage is the low initial cost, low maintenance cost, the simplicity of system, and the high compressor pressure rates. It can get up to 15:1. It means from 1 bar to 15 bar in one state. But this type of compressor have some disadvantages. First of them is low energy efficiency, high noise and vibration level, low air quality produced by compressor in the terms of dust level, high temperature, a lot of oil in the air.